This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. Track your time in QuickBooks Time easily with the Time Clock feature. Let's go over how to clock in and out, and how to select specific items to track your time against, like customers or jobs. We will also go over how to manually add a timesheet and enter or request time off if you have those permissions in your account. Sign in to QuickBooks Time, and if it's not already open, select Time Clock. First, select your customer, job, or project, and then select Clock In. Now you're on the clock. If your company tracks time to service items, specific tasks, or other tracking options, be sure to select those other options too. If you change jobs or customers during the day, select Switch on the new job to start a new timesheet. Be sure to adjust any extra fields on this new timesheet if needed. When your workday is done, simply select Clock Out. If you have the right permissions, you can also manually enter your timesheets. Enter start and stop times or total hours in the Time Entries feature. In QuickBooks Time, select Time Entries, and in the Timesheets tab, select Add Time. Choose if you want the timesheet to have time in and out, or if you just want total hours. Complete the rest of the timesheet, making sure to fill out any fields or notes you need attached to this timesheet. Select Save. You can also quickly add total hours using the manual time card. Still in Time Entries, select Manual Time Card. Select which week you'd like to view. Then, in any row, choose a job or customer to track your time against. Only one job is allowed per row, so if you worked many different jobs, add them to the next rows. Select inside the cell to add the number of hours worked. For example, to enter 8.5 hours, type 8.5 or 8 hours and 30 minutes. After you've added all your hours, select Save. If your company account uses time off, you can enter your time off timesheets. Depending on your permissions, you may need to request time off and have it approved from your manager or administrator before it becomes a timesheet. If your company tracks time off accruals, you will only be able to add time off if you have the right amount of time in your available balances. To add or request time off, go to Time Off and select Add Time Off. Choose a code, date of entry, and number of hours on that day, and select Save or Request. If you have to request time, you'll need to wait for your manager or administrator to approve the request. You'll be notified once that happens. That's it. Now you know how to track your time in QuickBooks Time on the web.